process in this country should be transparent and clean, because it will give confidence to the people of India, people of Odisha, people everywhere, that the election, the vote that they are casting is for the purpose for which, or for the candidate for whom they have given. So even if the Election Commission of India could be saying that they are doing everything properly, the perception all around is very different. And since this perception is so different, these suggestions have been made with a view to improve this electoral process. I do not think the Election Commission of India should have any hesitation in getting an independent audit done. We do not even know whether they have an internal audit system which puts the result in the public domain. आप देखते हैं कि जब भी कोई भी खर्चा होता है in financial terms, there is both internal audit, external audit. सबको पता है कि everyone tries to spend properly, rules है, regulations है, फिर audit क्यों किया जाता है? और ये चीज बड़े-बड़े डेमोक्रेसीज में आप देखिए, आप फ्रांस में देखिए, फ्रांस में तो इलेक्शन कमीशन इनवाइट किया है बाहर के एजेंसीज को, आप ऑडिट करके हमको रिजल्ट बताइए। तो उसमें जो माइनर एरर्स भी हो सकता है, मेजर फ्लॉज भी हो सकता है, तो डेमोक्रेसी विल इंप्रूव, द कंडक्ट ऑफ इलेक्शंस विल इंप्रूव। आज इलेक्शन कमीशन के साथ मीटिंग में वो वही कह रहे थे कि जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बने थे 1950s में बने थे, 1961 में बने थे, प्रोसेसेस हैव चेंज्ड एंड ऑल। हम तो कहते हैं कि वही प्रोसेसेस के जो चेंज हुआ है, इसीलिए तो व्हाई ऑडिट इज डन, टू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस नॉट ओनली फॉर द इलेक्शन कमीशन बट टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया। That is why these are the 5 suggestions we have presented to the Election Commission of India today. The Election Commission of India discussed these points and gave their views. The views of the Election Commission with regard to the fact that political parties, as necessary parties in the election process, have a vital role to play in ensuring transparency is well noted. However, the point that our party Biju Janata Dal is making is that the election is not only for political parties. What about independent candidates? What about independent candidates who cannot send agents to every booth? It is for every citizen who has voted. He has a right to know, believe, perceive that the election process in India is fair, transparent, and that his vote has gone to the person for whom he wanted to vote or he has voted.